Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI and serial number on this device. So first method is you just have to open phone and then enter the secret code here, which is *#06#, and here you have your information about your IMEI numbers and your IMEI ID. And you can also find this information in settings, in the about phone section, in the status here. Here you have your serial number, and here you have IMEI information. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.